Hello everyone, I'm Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary and today we look at few basic Excel text function that is called left, right, len and mid function. So first I would like to explain about the left function. Left function in Excel is a text function that allows you to extract a specified number of characters from the beginning of left side of a text string, right? And the right function is basically used to extract the specified number of characters from the right hand side. Okay, and then length function is basically used to count the uh, number of character or digits of a text string. It's including space, comma, and any punctuations. And the mid function, similarly, the mid function actually used to extract the specific number from of a character or digits from the text string, starting at a specific positions. Like if we required, any text characters or digits from the middle or somewhere else from the text string. So let's start to learn the left function, how to use left function. So let's start left function, right? Bracket start, asking for a text to select the text, comma, and how much digit required or character required from the left hand side. So we required 8 character. So put it here 8. Why we required 8? Because first 8 digits having item code or like SKU, whatever you can say. So we required 8 digits from the left hand side. So we got the 8 digit from the left hand side. Similarly, you can see use a right formula. Bracket start, select the text, and we required last 6 digit from the right side. So we can put here 6 digit. We got the 6 digit from the right hand side. So you can use left and right function, okay, like this way. And now we can see length function. Length function is just to calculate the number of character of text string. So just see len, select the text, that's it, and see here 19 characters we have on the serials. Okay, if any of the serials having increased any of the characters, like somewhere have a space, so length it indicates increase their characters, like somewhere having like a comma, has, so it's increasing. Okay, length is just increasing the characters. So length function is just to calculate the size of character or digits. Okay, now uh, we can use mid function. So mid function here, before start mid function, I would like to explain something here. This is our like serial number. So first 8 digits, uh, we can assume like item, code name, whatever, and A is ABC, whatever is, it's like the category of product, you can say. And 23 stands for year, A stands for a month, and later on whatever, that is product serial number, right? So from the mid function, what we need year and month from the serial number. So how do we use a mid function? Mid, okay, asking to select the text. You have selected text, uh, comma, asking to start number. So here you can see a start number. Year is starting from 10th digit, from the 10th position. You can see here first 8 is SKU, ninth is category, and from 10th position it's a start year. So starts number is 10, and what we required 3, only 3 digits, 2 digit for year, 1 digit for month, 1 character for month. So here you can see number of character 3, bracket close, hit enter. You can see we got the year and month. 23 is a year, A is a month, A is a month means January, and, 19 is 2019 is a year, B is a month, B is a February, and so on. So in this way you can use left function, right function, length function, and mid function to manipulate the data, and likewise in your way as per the requirements. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you and happy learning.